How to add music to Instagram posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can add music to your Instagram post. Remember that I'm talking about posts and photos, not stories, so you want to be very aware of that. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, in order to be able to add music on Instagram posts, first of all, make sure that you have updated the Instagram app, because since this is a relatively new feature, you don't really want to miss out on it. So once you've updated the Instagram application, I will go ahead and then launch the Instagram application on my phone, and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, we're going to go about creating a normal post as we would do. That is to tap on the plus icon from the bottom and then choose any of the photo that you want to upload. It doesn't have to be a video to add a music. You can also add it in a photo. Once you add a photo, tap on the check icon from the top right hand side and choose your filters, and again tap on the arrow button from the top right. And it is actually on this page where you want to add a music. So you can see the option that says add music, and you can also see some of the default music that Instagram is going to recommend to you. If you would like to add a custom one, you can just tap on the add music button over here, and as you do that, you can search and browse for the music that you want to add. If you want to search for a custom music, then again you can tap on the search music button and search for any of the music you want to add. Now in this case, I'll just choose one of the recommended music over here, and after that you can also choose actually on which duration you want the music to appear, as well as how long you want the music to be. If you select 30 seconds, the music will be playing for 30 seconds and it will repeat itself. If you select 31 seconds, you have all the way actually up to 60 seconds, so you can actually add it up to 1 minute as well, as you could clearly see, and just tap on the done button. Once you've done that, tap on the check button from the top right hand side, and after you post a story, people who view your photo will also be able to listen to this music. That's all it takes to add music to your Instagram post. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.